Okay guys, so this trade I called in the morning. All right, so it just hit take profit in the afternoon. So I made a call on this trade. I think I did this on my last video that I posted on YouTube, but that particular setup got stopped out. All right, but I knew very well that V75 is still going to sell. So I'm based on my analysis from the higher time frame. All right, so what I did was that I still mapped out another key level still on the higher time frame. That was on 4 hours. All right, I mapped out this level right here that is being illustrated by this yellow line. All right, this was an open close key level that price respected in the past, so I knew that at some point price is going to respect this going forward in the future. So as soon as price came into that level, I went to the 15 minutes, and all I was looking for was a shift in market structure. It was not so visible on the 15 minutes, so I took this entry from the 5 minutes. All right, from the 5 minutes I took this entry. We had this shift right here. Let me illustrate it with this tool. So we had this, price was buying, we had this higher low, higher high. As soon as it broke, this candle broke, I waited for price to pull back a little bit, and then I entered the trade. All right, this was like if 1:4.3, 1:4 kind of trying delivered. All right, so guys, if you're not in my Telegram group, as I said before, you're missing a whole lot. I share trade insights like this daily on my Telegram group, all for free. I don't charge a dime. All right, so if you're interested and if you love my content, I want each and every one of you to join and subscribe to my Telegram channel. All right, so what am I currently looking out for right now on V75? I'm still looking out for a sell. I still believe that there will still be more sells going forward, because from the analysis I did earlier, as I said earlier, the price already swept the high of this candle. That showed the liquidity of this candle. These are the weekly time frame. So I'm expecting price to come over here, it has swept the standard liquidity of this bullish candle. I'm expecting price to sell to take off this internal liquidity of the same bullish candle. All right, the daily also is pointing towards the same thing. The daily has also changed character from a bullish momentum to a bearish momentum. As you can see, this candle violated this bullish trend. So I'm still looking forward to sell at least to this level right here that I marked out with this line. I'm expecting price to sell to this level that I marked out with this box right here. So what am I expecting? Well, I can't just enter in for a sell like that. I need some certain form of confirmation. So what am I expecting right now? I'm expecting price to come to, this was the last lower high. All right, the last lower high right here. So I'm expecting price to come to this level. If price comes to the level and I see some sort of rejection, I'll wait for a change of character on the 15 minutes, and then I'll sell this pay to the downside. I'll sell this V75. Sorry guys, my part 2 is misbehaving. Let me draw it again so that you understand better. So I'm waiting for price to come to this level right here. As soon as price comes into this level right here that I've illustrated with a line, this is my A-shaped key level. I'm going to go to the 15-minute time frame, and I'll look out for a shift in market structure. Something like this. Sorry guys. Something like this. Alright, this. And then this. Then I'll enter from the breakout. So I'll enter from the close of the candle that does the breakout. Alright. I'll wait for a retest to target, and then this will be my target. All right, so that's what I'm currently looking out for on V75. So I only trade 2 pays. All right, I only trade 2 pays. I only trade V75 and V7 and V25. all right, so that's my analysis for V75. So you guys look out for this. So let me go to V25. All right, V25 is on a daily support level. Yes, all right, V75 is on a daily support level. I don't want to do anything for now on V75 because it's currently sitting on a very delicate level, and I don't want to make any hasty decisions. All right, but overall, the V75 is on a sell, on a bearish trend. The weekly says so. Been tanking on a bearish momentum for a while now. All right, price started from this level, and we've reached the final target. But I'm still expecting more sales. All right, but for now, I'm not going to do anything. What I'm expecting now, I'm going to watch and see how this candle will close. What I want, before I engage in any selling, before I continue selling V25, all right, I want price to close below this line with a body, not with rejection, not with what it's currently doing right now. I want it to close with a body. All right, I want it to close with a body. If this candle closes with a body, let me change the color of this to red so that you guys will understand better what I'm trying to do. Let me increase the opacity. All right, let me increase this. So if this candle closes like this, even if it is smaller, let it just close with the body. If it closes the body below this line, then I will know very well that volatility 25 is going to continue the selling momentum. Before I make trading decisions, I make sure that all my time frame align. You understand? I make sure my daily time frame aligns with my 4 hours. My 4 hours align with my 15 minutes. All right. Even if I'm taking entries on the 5 minutes, which I do sometimes, I make sure that everything aligns before I take my trade. All right. So for the V75 trade, this was the before. This is it right here. I screenshotted it. I posted this on my Instagram and on my Twitter. This was the before. All right. And then I've deleted this already. That was the before, and then already you also the after effects of the trade. So guys, if you're not following me yet, I want you guys to join my Telegram group. I'll be sharing trading insights and signals all for free. All right, so the more subscribers I get, the more inspired I will be to be dropping content. All right, please share this video. Please like this video so that YouTube will recommend it to every trader that needs a content like this. All right, so that will be all for now, guys. See you guys in the next video. Thank you very much.
Approximately 10 hours later.